in the sweltering heat of the Egyptian desert. Beneath a sky painted with the hues of early morning light, thousands of laborers gathered at the base of what would become the Great Pyramid of Giza. The scene was abuzz with activity, a coordinated chaos of human effort and precise engineering. Men, their bodies glistening with sweat, strained as they dragged massive stone blocks on sledges across wooden tracks. These blocks, quarried from Aswan over 500 miles away, were the building material for the grandest monument the world had ever seen. Overseers, clad in simple robes, barked orders, ensuring that each stone was placed with meticulous accuracy. On the ground, specialized teams prepared the foundation. The ground level was being flattened with surprising precision. Workers used simple yet effective tools: plumb bobs, leveling instruments, and copper chisels. Lines of string stretched tautly to mark the layout of the pyramid. Day after day, the sun would rise and set, and the foundation grew more defined, the first few courses of limestone blocks already giving shape to the grand vision. As the structure ascended, a complex system of ramps and levers came into play. Initial low-level ramps allowed easier access to lay the first layers of stone. Higher up, the ramps became more sophisticated with switchbacks and spiral turns wrapping around the pyramid like a labyrinth. Laborers heaved the stone blocks up these ramps, straining against the pull of gravity. The sounds of wood scraping against the ramps, the rhythmic chants of the workers, and the occasional crack of an overseer's whip filled the air. Time-lapse views show the pyramid rising continuously, layer by layer. The workers set each block with incredible precision, filling gaps with smaller stones and gypsum mortar. During the full swing of construction, the pyramid became a bustling hive of human activity. Stone masons shaped the blocks to fit perfectly, while others brought up supplies and sustenance to keep the workforce going. Specialized engineers toiled endlessly, ensuring every measurement was accurate. Finally, at the apex of the construction, the capstone, made of gleaming white Tural limestone, was hauled into place. This moment became a symbol of accomplishment, representing years of relentless labor. The Great Pyramid, clad in its smooth white casing stones, shone brightly under the desert sun, a testament to human ingenuity and effort. Centuries would pass, and the smooth casing stones would erode, but the core structure would remain, standing as a silent guardian of history.